Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to set up a dark mode on MEXC application. To enable or set up dark mode on MEXC, first of all launch open the MEXC application and sign into your account like you normally do. Once you're inside the home page of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left-hand corner. Once you tap on the button, you will then be able to see this interface. Tap on the moon icon if you are currently using the bright mode for your account at the top right, and this will change your MEXC app interface to dark mode. If you are currently using the dark mode and you'd like to change to the bright one, you will simply need to tap on the sun icon at the top right corner to change your theme to brighter mode. You can switch back anytime by following the same steps and selecting a different theme. So that's how you enable or set up dark mode or white mode on MEXC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.